Yo, what's good you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just going to show you 3 ways you can improve your handheld footage. I'm not sure if any of these techniques have names, but I'm just going to show you how to do them, and then yeah, we can take it from there. So for the first one, it's really easy. All you have to do, you take like the strap of your camera and you put it around your neck and just hold it tight in front of you. And with this you have like 3 contact points that will give you more stability in your shots. So the first one will be your hand on the camera itself, and then one on the lens. So then there's 2. And then the third one would be your neck. This will make an insane amount of increase in how steady your shot will be. And it will look a bit weird when you first do it and people will check you out weird, but after that you'll get used to it and it really helps, so definitely check that one out. Okay, so for the next one, probably more subtle but also a good one if you're looking to have more steady handheld footage. And this would be just tuck in your hands more to your body with your camera just in front of you. What this does is just locks out everything. So then you use your torso as the movement and not your arms. This will give you more of that cinematic pan and stuff like that. So that's also a great way just to get more footage that's stable. And then, okay, cool. So the last one and number 3 would be the way you walk. So say you have your arms tucked in close to your body and you want to follow someone. You can just tiptoe basically and walk like a ninja just to suppress some of that shock, and that will also be an awesome technique just to improve your handheld. So with this said, you really still need to practice doing handheld footage to get it smooth. Like, these are just tips you can use to improve it and will make a big difference, but you have to practice to get it perfect. I hope you enjoyed that quick little video. It's really short compared to all the other videos that I usually make, but that's all I need to say. So hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out, and comment down below if you use one of these techniques, and if you do, let me know. So with that said, hope you enjoyed that video and hope to see you in the next one. Peace.